There you go. Y'all can go now.
Hold on.
Will, you're playing house with Tyler.
Huh?
You're playing house with
I'm in
Tyler.
the kitchen cooking.
What are you cooking?
Pie.
Tyler.
Hello, I'm coming.
The convict's coming. With a little chain. Eat it, Will. Eat it.
No, this is for Tyler when he comes over to my house.
It's for Tyler?
Yeah. Who is it?
It's Tyler!
Who?
Tyler!
Who?
Tyler!
I can't hear you!
It's Tyler!
Alright, what's up? Hey.
What's up, man?
Hey, you want to eat some pie?
I want to eat some pie. What kind of pie?
It's chocolate.
Chocolate pie? Ooh, can I come in?
Yeah, come on. Come on. Okay, come on.
Hey, man.
What's up? Look at my pie. You want some of it? Yeah, I want some of it.
Eat it! Eat it! Really eat it!